This is a simple text, but as you can see, there is a picture inside of this text body. And you might be wondering, how do you achieve this design in Canva? Technically, you cannot insert a photo or any visual content into a regular text in Canva. You will need a third-party app to get something like this. But don't worry, the process is simple, and the third-party app that we are going to be using is completely free. You don't have to register to any other website. It's something that is available directly in Canva. So let me show you how you can create a text, or how you can fill a piece of text with some image. Here's how. I'm going to add another page, and let's go to apps. So the first thing that we need to do is we have to install the app, or maybe not. I guess the first thing that we need to do is we have to find some picture that we want to use. I'm going to find a picture of lava. Let's see. Okay, I guess I'm going to select some picture like this one. This is amazing. This looks really cool. And after that, you want to visit the app section, and the app that we want to use is called Font Frame. That's the name of the app. Search for it and click on Font Frame. Give it some authorization to this app. Click open, and now we are ready to use this tool. So the text is going to be lava, and you can select the font. I guess I'm going to stick with Poppins. You can also select the frame border color if you want to add some frame border, but usually I prefer not using border. And if you do, you can adjust the weight of the border if you want to, but again, I'm not interested in using that. So here you can adjust the letter spacing. I'm going to make it closer or much further apart. I guess I'm going to stick with the default setting. Okay. And line spacing is the same, but this is for vertical orientation. I'm going to skip that. Now you have to select the image. You can choose your own file. You can upload an image from your computer. You can also just click on any picture on your canvas and click use selected image. And now we have this design, but this is not final. You can always adjust the position of the image that you want to make it, you want to reveal on the text. I think this one looks really cool. And there's an option to zoom the image if you want to, but I'm going to stick with the default zoom. And when you're done, you can click add to design. So we have this text, actually not text anymore, because this is now officially a regular image. This is not a normal text. You cannot modify or change the text anymore, because this is now becoming an image. So when you're done, this is the result that you're going to get, and you can actually just close the app, and there you have it. This is a piece of text with a picture in it, and that's how you can get this design in Canva.